Hi, I'm Bill Snodgrass, and in this episode of The World Around Us, we're looking at math. I know it's an exciting topic. A lot of people love math, and some people don't love math. But math is part of a lot of things academic, and in business, in science, and engineering, and it's also a part of a lot of standardized tests. So we're going to look at an approach to a math problem similar to what you might or might not see on a standardized test. How can you attack that problem, and how can you solve that problem, and what kind of a method can you use to attack every kind of standardized test math question? So I have a math question on the screen. Your immediate response is, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, that's too long. I'm just going to guess. That's not the good approach. That is not the success strategy for attacking this problem. Another thing you might look at is you might look at the problem and go, holy cow, how am I supposed to figure this out? It might as well look like this. It might as well be in a foreign language because I only have about 45 seconds to answer this problem, or else I'm going to run out of time. And so it might as well not even just, well, the truth of the matter is, you could solve this problem if you use the right strategy. We're going to go back to the English. Step one in solving these kind of problems is don't get overwhelmed, but that's not really step one. That's just kind of like step zero. Don't be overwhelmed by the number of words on there. Step one, find out what they're asking, because sometimes what they're asking for is relatively simple compared to all the stuff that they're telling you. So we're going to look at the problem, and we're going to look for this punctuation mark called the question mark. Guess where it is? It's probably towards the end. It might be at the beginning, could be in the middle. In this case, it is at the end. Question mark right there. There's the question mark. The thing that comes before the question mark is a question. And the question is, what? In square feet, amount of carpet. What amount of carpet? There's the question. Amount of carpet. What amount? In square feet. There's a big hint. The answer is going to be an area. What is the area of the carpet? Step two in attacking a problem like this, once you know the question, you need to identify what's given and find a formula that is going to allow you to answer that question. So we need to identify what's given. Now, some problems will give you the formula, and you just need to look around until you find the formula. This one does not. But it does give us two pieces of information that we need in order to find the area of the carpet needed to do this renovation thing that Bartholomew, this guy, tinsel finer. Well, we need to know the area, length and width. I'm scanning for numbers now because I really don't care about the Seattle's finest hotel. I'm looking for numbers. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. Trick. It's a trick question. Where are the numbers? They typed the numbers out because they did. 75 feet from side to side. Now there's a piece of information. If I'm trying to find the area, now I'm thinking, they typed their numbers out. The hyphen there, that helped me find it. Scanning, hey, feet. 50 feet. There's another. 50 feet front to back. Now, I have a length and a width. I need a formula. If you can't remember the formula for area, there's this thing called Google. How do you find the area of a rectangle? Put that in. Here comes the formula, and we're going to multiply length times width. So calculating length times width equals area. So I take 50 times 75, and bam, 3,750 square feet, or feet squared, feet with the same thing. That's how much carpet. So the approach is very simple. Identify the question, identify what's given, and find a formula that relates what's given to what's asked. And then the last step is plug in and solve. That's it. That's how you can approach these problems. Now, there are many problems that are very, very complex, and the formula is not so simple as length times width. but the approach is the same in every case. Attack the problem by finding out what's asked for, finding out what's given and how it's related to what's asked for, plugging in and solving. That's it for this episode. Thank you for watching. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, sign up for notifications, leave me a comment, question, or suggestion. Share this video with someone who may not have confidence in attacking math word problems. We will see you in the next episode. Caught it without looking. And we're going to multiply length times width. So 75 times 50. I'm going to have to get my calculator because I'm not confident enough to say 373 point whatever. I would have been right.